Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Quit India movement. Number 1. The Quit India movement began in 1942. Number 2. Mahatma Gandhi initiated the movement. Number 3. He gave the famous slogan, "Do or die," during this movement. Number 4. It was a significant event in India's struggle for independence. Number 5. Its aim was to demand an end to British rule in India. Number 6. The movement called for a non-violent rebellion against British colonialism. Number 7. Many Indian leaders including Jawaharlal Nehru and Maulana Azad participated. Number 8. British arrested thousands to suppress protest. Number 9. It demonstrated the power of non-violent resistance in achieving political goals. Number 10. Ultimately, the movement contributed to India gaining independence in 1947. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.